What's up, guys? I need to do these before I go crazy because I really want to get them. Alright, so I did the card trick. This is Breaking Point. Not Breaking Point, Fates Collide. Alright, Scorched Earth, nice. Braixen?
Raxian.
Raxian.
I think so. Is that the evolved form of Fenkin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fairy Garden, do you need one of those? A really nice Larvitar. A Volababy. Volaby? Volabai? Minocino. Wishmer. Goliathita? Gothita. Ooh, another Breakpoint card. Or break card. Delphox. Dude, that's the third form, isn't it? Dude, that's awesome. And Explodoid. Look at that. Alright, guys. This is awesome. Sorry, my kid was walking by and I didn't want him in the video. Alright, we're going to do another Fates Collide. Hey, Bubby, come here. Dude, don't you dare. Come here. Aww. What's wrong? Oh, I know, you want mommy, but you gotta wait. She's working, okay? 1, 2, 3. Cincinio. The form after Mincinio. Nice Shuckle. Another Fairy Garden. Rayola. I haven't. Rayolu. Snubble. Binacle. Bronzer. Burmy. Ooh. Reverse Hollow King is gone. And oh. Glaceon EX. Look at that. It feels good. I feel it.
What's the day of fun?
Second bite, Crystal Ray 70. I'll let you read it. Dude, that's awesome. I love Eevee forms. What's up, Bubby? Oh, it's okay. I know. You won't go in there. Hold on. Oh, you need to pull up your pants. What is up? Oh, you trying to take your pants off? Alright. Well, let's go change your pants. 2, 3. Yeah, you can play with that card. You gonna put it in there for me? Oh, these are upside down. My bad. Alright, Wormdom. Fossil Excavagant Hunt Kit, Alakazam.
You could use this against GX cards. GX cards that require evolutions, so like my
Sweet.
Incineroar EX.
Yeah.
My Gyarados EX.
Spoink. Diglett. Another cool avatar. Carbink. Carbink? Is that how you say that? Dude, a nice Jigglypuff with a Spoink and a... what is that one? The weird leaf one? Alright, be careful. The weird leaf Pokemon. Oh, you want the turtles? Okay, hold on. Let me get your turtle cards.
Oh, crazy.
There you go.
Oh, I don't know that one.
I forgot
That's
it.
a Gen 5. I don't know.
Oh, dude. Reverse Hollow Almastar. Once during your turn, you may search your deck for a restored Pokemon and put it onto your bench.
Oh no! It's over there!
And the Hollow is a Lucario. Nice. It kind of looks... Oh, okay. Lucario, my bad. Nice. Steel Vacuum Wave. Dude, that's awesome. Alright, I did those 3. Those were part of my Gyaradose Tin, but I took it out for Jacob to have because he needed one. So I also got the shiny Gyarados again, but you guys already seen that card, so no biggie. But I will catch you guys in the next one.